Alright guys, old blue Accord here. Well, I went ahead and put the car outside because my Jeep got a flat tire and I've got it in there. That's a long story. It's taking a week to get a flat tire fixed, but so I went to let this sit outside a couple minutes, actually a few days, and I thought I'd start it. Now I let it run the other day, and I've got a new camera too, which I'm kind of excited about, except that I keep putting my finger in front of the lens. So anyway, yeah, I just figured I'd start over. Now it's cold. It's been sitting. I think it's 30 degrees outside. It might be 34. And it rained really hard the other day, so I looked for some. I've gotten some water in the passenger side, but it looks good. So check that. Oh, there's a little water right here, which that's not bad. But besides being dirty, floors look pretty good. But since I not got an extra vehicle, I thought, well, I ought to drive this a few days and it won't really start. And it's doing the thing it did last year where it's kicking back. I don't know if it's low voltage or not. I ain't got a meter out. I don't think I'm going to do much out here. It's cold. I don't even have gloves. I need gloves. But I'm going to just start it real quick. I let it sit. I've already tried starting it, and it's kicking back. Like the timing's off. I know the time's not off, but anyway, so it's ice cold. I'll click. Yeah, see, it's ice cold on the gauge, and then watch the tack. Alright, it started. I'm kind of still not sure what that's all about. I sometimes suspect the starter's bad, because as you've seen in my videos, the battery and cables, all that stuff, I sometimes think I primed the fuel pump a few times. I sometimes think I got an injector stick in it. It's flooded. It acts like there's a flood, like one of the cylinders is flooded, like it's hydrolocked. And then, like I said, I walked down to the mailbox and back. That's why I'm out of breath. And there it is, ice cold. No, that's right. I wonder if one of the injectors leaks, because I still have that fuel pressure problem. The pressure just won't hold 10 seconds. And of course, you've seen all my fuel pump videos, so I don't think it's a fuel pump. I'm still suspicious that it's either a leaky injector or maybe the fuel pressure regulator is leaking by. It is adjustable, and that's possible. It's an AEM adjustable. So, alright, well, it started now. So yeah, I walked down, I gave it like a 2-minute sit. I still don't think it was the battery. My fingers are cold already. It's funny about Tennessee, it doesn't really get as cold as it does up north, but it's so damp that it's like being out right next to the ocean. If you ever been out on the beach or something, it's 35 degrees out, the dampness just runs right through you. So, and the ground is just saturated wet, it's all muddy. Had tons of rain. It's been the wettest winter I can remember here in Tennessee. But yeah, I'm just gonna let it run for about 10 minutes, get the battery charged back up, and all that nonsense. And yeah, we'll see, go from there. But I think it's gonna be starter time in the spring, because I might just do that, or maybe the injectors. I might just take the injectors out and get them redone, flow tested. They're old RC Engineering injectors I've had probably at least 12 years, so, and as you tell by the rotors, the car sits a lot, so it's not great for the injectors. I might have a leaky one or something, so we'll keep going along with that. Thanks a lot for looking, appreciate it. It's my first video with my new camera, 2023. Alright, thank you. Oh, and I got 100 subscribers too. I forgot to talk about that. Pretty excited about that. 100's a pretty good milestone for having a bunch of boring videos. But I'll keep going. You guys keep watching. Thanks.